Hello everyone, welcome back to Edutainment. In this lecture, we will be learning about Introduction to Unity. So let's start. Introduction to Unity. So in our previous lecture, I have told you something about Unity. So what is Unity? Unity 3D is an authoring tool for computer graphics applications, and basically it was written to create computer games. Now when Unity was developed, it was not focused or actually developed for virtual reality applications, but it was developed to write general computer graphics, and mostly people use it to create computer games. So when virtual reality was not kindly totally introduced, Unity was used to create computer graphics and computer games. But when Oculus Rift came out, Unity and other authoring tool manufacturers, they added virtual reality capabilities. So when the headsets of virtual reality was rolled into the market, so the manufacturers, authoring tool manufacturers like Unity, Unreal Engine, WebVR manufacturers, they added virtual reality capabilities. So these are the application environments called as virtual reality authoring tool. These are the engines that are used to create virtual reality. Download Unity. So I have provided you the link over here. You can go through this link and download the Unity. You will be downloading Unity Hub first of all. Through that hub, you will be downloading the Unity version. You can select the version that you want to download. So let's quickly move to the link that I have provided. So I have opened the link. So you can see this is a web page that will be open. You will be accepting the terms and you will be downloading the Unity Hub over here. I have downloaded my Unity Hub. Okay, just download your Unity Hub and install it. So I have installed my Unity Hub. Over here you can see the icon of Unity Hub over here. We will be running this Unity Hub program right now. So we get a dialog box over here that is showing the projects over here. It's saying that you're using the latest version of Unity Hub. Okay, when you will be creating a new one, so let's like 3D, we will be keeping our project name as test. You will be mentioning your location, and when you will be clicking create, so your Unity application is starting right now. It will take some couple of minutes because it's kind of a very heavy software that you will be running on your computers. So this is your Unity software. Okay, over here it is your scene that you will be creating your application over here. Okay, this is a hierarchy on which you will be adding the layers. It will be showing this is the main camera, this is the directional right now, and this is the project or the console. Over here you will be getting the assets. Over here console, this will be giving the errors whenever you are writing the program. So you can see the errors and everything on this console. And this is the inspector over here on which you can change the properties of a particular object. Like you can see about this is the sun. This is the directional light over here. I can change that light to a spotlight or to a point 1. So these are the inspectors through which you will be changing the properties right now of this one. Okay, so this is a basically you can see an overview of Unity softwares. So you will be learning many other upcoming new things regarding the Unity and creating virtual reality applications. Till now, thank you.